Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself. Gloves, goggles, a respirator, and long sleeves. Once ready, pick a 2x2 FT test patch and apply a thin coat of remover to learn dwell time. You want a product suited to concrete? Choose a gel for vertical edges or a thicker strip gel for flat surfaces. Apply with a brush or trowel, keeping a 1/8 to 1/4 inch layer. Make sure to work from an edge so you can lift softened paint cleanly. Once the remover has softened the paint, scrape at a 30 to 45 degree angle using a plastic scraper for delicate beads or metal for heavy coatings. After bulk removal, scrub with a stiff nylon brush to agitate remaining film, then rinse with a pressure washer at 1,500 to 2,500 psi. Hold the wand steady and keep a consistent distance. Make sure to capture runoff and follow the label for neutralization. Collect all paint chips and liquid waste in sealed containers for proper disposal. You finish by inspecting the slab for ghost stains or thin residues. Spot treat stubborn areas and repeat the same dwell, scrape, scrub routine. Once clean, allow concrete to dry thoroughly, typically 24 to 72 hours before sealing or priming. If paint won't lift, consider a heat gun or a stronger stripping product, but do so cautiously to avoid pitting the concrete. Key troubleshooting. If chemicals aren't working, try a mechanical method first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.